President Cyril Ramaphosa has dispatched his top envoy, Sydney Muvamadi, to Mozambique as the country grapples with violent protest following contentious election results. Zavina mashoko atikuona kuti aiwa Ramaphosa opindira panhau yekuMozambique. Chaos yatiri kuona kuti yaafecta maSouthern African countries zvakanyanya. Subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipira mnamobranyo kwa mchinzi, the unrest erupted after Mozambique's Constitutional Council confirmed the ruling Frelimo party's victory in the October 9 elections, despite acknowledging significant electoral irregularities. Protesters have clashed with the police, who responded with the tear gas, while fire barricades and destruction have brought parts of the capital to a standstill. Mupamati's visit to Maputo underscores South Africa's commitment to fostering stability in Mozambique. Although details of his meetings remain undisclosed, the envoy reiterated South Africa's readiness to support Mozambique during this challenging time. The intervention comes as South African Development Community SADC also signals its willingness to mediate. Calls for regional assistance have mounted amid fears that the crisis could destabilize neighboring countries. Mozambique's post-election address highlights the fragility of the political landscape, with the ruling party accused of clinging to power at the expense of the democratic process. As protests continue, all eyes are on regional powers like South Africa to broker peace and prevent further bloodshed. South Africa tumira envoy aiwa kunyika yeMozambique. Mareasons aiwa asati abuditsiwa zvavo, but kuona kuti aiwa Ramaphosa ane chido aiwa chekuda kubetsera nyika yeMozambique. Kunyange zvayo aiwa tichiona kuti machairman eSADC panguva ino vangonyarara, vanongokana macondolences message chete. Tudze mafunguro emo todi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like.